Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Life of a Dreamer. My name is Darian Wright. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. I am so excited about this video because I'm going to be reviewing a product that has been haunting me on the shelves for like weeks now. I finally decided to buy it, and I'm excited to let you guys know how I feel about it, how the product works, and if it's worth buying. So stay tuned if you want to find out. So first off, I'm going to start by lightening any dark spots on my face by using this burnt orange or this rust color on my cream color correcting palette. And that color is just going to mute any dark spots so that when I apply my foundation, everything goes on smooth and no dark spots show through. Off camera, I've already done my eyeshadow and my eyebrows. I really just wanted to show you guys the loose setting powder and how it worked with my face products. And now I'm just going to take a damp sponge and blend that color correcting cream all the way in. Foundation that I really love is Maybelline's Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the number 340. I love this stuff. Such a great foundation for oily skin. I'm going to go in with a Modern Beauty brush that I got in a 3-pack from Ross for $6.99. I'm just going to paint that on. Really good quality brushes, super soft. I love them. And the Fit Me line has such a huge range of skin tones. It's easy to find your perfect color without mixing anything, and I'm right out the bottle, so I love this stuff. The concealer that I'm going to be using today is my favorite concealer. It's the LA Girl Pro Conceal High Definition Concealer in the color Pure Beige. I love this stuff so much. I get it from my local beauty supply store for $3.99 each, but you can definitely find it at their website, which I will link down below for you guys, as well as with the rest of the products that I'm using today. I like to mix that in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn, which is my natural skin tone. I like a highlight, but I don't like it too intense, so I like to mix that in just to tone it down just a little bit. And I'm going to take that same damp sponge and blend out that highlight just so everything's nice and smooth and blended. For my contour, we're going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Dark Cocoa, just to make those natural shadows that occur on the face. I love doing contour so much, but it's a little tricky because if you don't blend it out perfectly and if it doesn't fit the shape of your face, it's so easy to look like you have like a bunch of dirt on your face. You really just have to learn your face shape and what works for you when it comes to highlighting and contouring. There are like general face maps that can show you where to place the colors, but in the end, you really just got to learn your face and what works for you. And we're going to take that same damp sponge on the other side and pat, 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 pat until all of that is blended in and it looks like natural shadows on our face. And that is pretty much what contouring is. It helps shape and mold your face by looking like shadows are naturally occurring. And now the moment that we've all been waiting for, the Black Radiance True Complexion Loose Setting Powder in the color Banana. I'm going to apply it with this flat top foundation brush that I got from Ross in a set of 3 for $6.99. And I'm going to apply that to all the highlight areas where I applied that concealer and just let it bake for a few minutes. I got this powder from Walmart for $6.87, guys, just under $7. I'm going to set my contour with this Duo palette from Nicka K, and I'm going to apply it with this angled contour brush from e.l.f. I got this palette from my local beauty supply store for $1.99 each. They have so many contour and highlight colors as well as blush duos. I'm going to dust off the setting powder with this Wet n Wild angled contour brush. I love the shape of this brush, especially for highlighting and contouring. As you guys can tell, I am so excited. That banana powder gave like the perfect pop to my highlight. I'd never seen that. I forgot to do my lips, so I have to go back and do that. And just to tone it down a bit, I'm going to go back in with my Soft Focus Finishing Powder in the color Golden Almond Finish by Black Radiance because I'm terrified of having those bright triangles under my eye. To set my foundation and blend everything in, I'm going to go in with my CoverGirl Clean Matte Pressed Powder in the color Tawny with my e.l.f. Flat Top Powder Brush just to blend everything out and make sure my skin is nice and smooth. And don't forget those necks, ladies. We don't want our heads and our necks to be two different colors. For my blush color, I'm going to be using this burnt coral color from the Nicka Blush Duo palette. This was also $1.99 from my local beauty supply store. And I'm going to be using my blush brush from Eco Tools. I got this by itself for $3.99 at Ross. And I love it because it's the perfect shape, the perfect size just to apply the right amount of blush. You don't want to go overboard with blush because you look like a clown real fast. With blush, you want to start really light and build on it because it can go overboard really fast. You want to start on your cheekbones and go up and out. And anytime you feel like you've applied too much blush, just take your powder brush and blend it out just to tone it down. It works every time. Y'all, these Wet n Wild highlighters are amazing. This is the color Crown of My Canopy. I got it from Walmart for $4.69. I'm just going to blend it out with this contour brush that I got in that palette from Ross for $6.99. This is like a coppery kind of color, and they're so buildable. They're amazing. The colors are amazing. This camera is not doing it justice, but this highlight is crazy. I like to mix this light gold Wet n Wild highlighter on top of that coppery one in the color Golden Flower Crown just because it really pops on my skin tone. As y'all can tell, I love it. That gold just brings out everything. It just gives me so much life, y'all. And for my lips, we're going to take my favorite Wet n Wild crayon in the color Simba Brown Now and line my lips with those. I love these things. They cost 87 cents at Walmart. I use it for eyeliner, lip liner, eyebrows, everything. It's the perfect dark brown color. I'm going to take this LA Girl Matte Lip Gloss in the color Floor. I got this from my beauty supply store for $1.99. This brand and these colors are so amazing. I have like almost every shade they have. Now, y'all, please don't judge me. I have this really old school LA Colors lipstick from the beauty supply store. It costs like 99 cents in the color Copper Blaze, but it's the perfect color and I haven't found anything to match it or beat it. And finally, I'm going to set the look with the good old faithful e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set. You guys, I love this setting powder so much. In my everyday makeup routine, I don't really use a setting powder because I don't do too much of a heavy contour. I just use the Black Radiance Soft Focus Finishing Powder, but I will definitely incorporate this loose setting powder into my everyday routine because on top of the Soft Focus Finishing Powder, it brightens up my highlight. It just makes my skin kind of, the highlights jump out and I love it. The yellow undertones in the pattern is perfect for my skin tone. It just sets everything and I'm so happy that I decided to give it a try. Like I said, it was $6.87 at my Walmart, so just under $7. Worth every penny. I will definitely be using this in my everyday routine because it's not too heavy. It feels amazing and it just adds that oomph to my everyday routine and my, soft contour. Thank you guys so much again for watching this video. I hope you guys go out and try the loose powder and see if you like it for yourself. Like I said, I love it. It's worth every penny. Thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.